Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. My name is Chino. I am 5 years old bunny, and today my mother is going to teach you guys the healthy salad recipe which you can prepare at your home very easily. So let's start the recipe. Enjoy! Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share very interesting recipe which you guys can make it at your home very easily, and this recipe is very good for the weight loss. So today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make couscous. So this is couscous guys, couscous pearl Italian style salad at your home. So for this recipe what you need, here I chopped the purple cabbage and I'm going to add this one in the big bowl, and here I chopped the cucumber and I'm going to add this cucumber in this bowl. Here I chopped a tomato and I'm going to add this one in this bowl along with these veggies. So I took one tomato and here I chopped the onion and I'm adding this one. Don't add too much of onion. So you can add any veggies like carrot, beetroot, anything guys. And in this I'm going to add that couscous pearl. So here I added the couscous pearl Italian pasta guys. So this is basically a small pasta. What you have to do, you have to cook this one by adding hot water and little bit of salt until it absorbs all the water. We have to cook this couscous. So this is ready, and in this I'm going to add some olive oil. So before adding the olive oil, I'm going to add these butter beans. So if you don't have these butter beans, what you can do, you can add the chickpeas, the boiled chickpeas, or the white one, the black one, anything. So yeah, and I'm going to add this one in this. And in this, I'm going to add the olive oil, lavish of olive oil. If you want to skip the olive oil, you can. And in this I'm going to add some chili flakes for the spiciness. So here I added some chili flakes, and I'm going to add some salt as per our taste, how much salt we want in your salad. And some pepper, and here I'm adding the dressing. So what this is basically lemon juice and the olive oil guys, nothing else. So yeah, so I'm going to mix all these things together. So the salad is ready for our lunch. So yeah, so this is a quick video of how to make couscous salad at your home, and this is very good for the weight loss also. See you soon in my cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.